From an incredible 200 megapixels camera to a new system chip and a 12 gigabytes RAM, this video gives a breakdown of the official features of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Display. Regarding the display of the Samsung S23 Ultra, there are several things to note, including the AMOLED panel, the aspect ratio, pixel density, and the resolution. Like its predecessor, the S23 Ultra will have an ultra-bright 6.8-inch AMOLED panel with a 19.3:9 aspect ratio and 501 ppi.
Absolutely amazing, and very meticulous on their part.
In addition, we expect the S23 Ultra to have a 3088 x 1440 pixels resolution, allowing a sharp and vibrant color display and a 120 Hz dynamic refresh rate. Even more interesting with the display of the S23 Ultra is the improvement in the peak brightness. While the S22 Ultra had a peak brightness of 1,750 nits, its successor will have an increased peak of 2,150 nits. Camera. While we expect much of the display features on the S22 Ultra to be carried over to the S23 Ultra, a number of features are expected to improve with regards to the camera. For starters, we expect the S23 Ultra to have a significant 200 megapixels camera, which will considerably upgrade to the S22 Ultra. According to Ice Universe, this 200 megapixels will be bigger than some prominent phones.
Wow. That's awesome.
He tweeted, "It's only slightly bigger than the iPhone 14 Pro and smaller than other Android flagship phone sensors in 2023. But that's not it. A controversial change is coming up, with Samsung set to downgrade the 40 megapixels front camera it gave to the S22 Ultra by providing the S23 Ultra with a 12 megapixels. This does appear as a downgrade on the surface level, but we expect the S23 Ultra to take as good pictures as its predecessors, especially with a better aperture and sensor. Ultra features dual telephoto lenses with 3x and 10x optical zoom that came with the S22 Ultra. Hardware. The S22 Ultra system chip. The S22 Ultra will have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SM8454NM. The S23 Ultra will possess the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SM8554NM. In terms of the processor, the S22 Ultra has an octa-core processor consisting of 1x3.00 GHz Cortex-X2 plus 3x2.50 GHz Cortex, A710 plus 4x, 1.80 GHz Cortex, A510. In contrast, the S23 Ultra, on the other hand, has an octa-core processor consisting of 1x3.36 GHz Creo Prime, plus 4x2.8 GHz Creo Gold, plus 3x2.0 GHz Creo Silver, which is a more advanced and powerful processor than the S22 Ultra.
Impressive!
Other hardware features include an Adreno 740 GPU and 12 gigabytes of RAM to help multitask or run demanding apps and games. Battery. Regarding the battery and battery life, we expect the S23 Ultra to spot the exact 5,000 mAh that the previous model came with, although other lower models, such as the S23 Plus, will have a bump. With the same battery, the S23 Ultra could also have a battery life of 15.5 hours. Lastly, we expect the S23 Ultra to come with the 45 watts fast charging feature on the battery. So here are the official features of the S23 Ultra, with the phone set to be released in a couple of days. But the question to ask is, how will it compare to the S22 Ultra? For all the possible answers, make sure to watch our next video. Thanks for watching.